Hey guys, I think we're ready for the next step. Take a look at this. From the previous step, you should have ended up with a yellow cross on top. So now what do we do? This step is kind of fun and easy. What we have to look for is something that matches all the way up and down here. This doesn't. This is green, orange, orange. Let's look around. Red, green, green. Nope. Orange, red, red. Blue, blue, blue. This is great. Now, what you want to do when you have one matching ladder, and this rule only applies if you have one, because it's possible that all of these could be orange and all of these could be blue. And if that's the case, we would do something different. So we're going to learn 3 different rules for what you do after you have the yellow cross. So if we just have one ladder, which is the situation now, then how do we hold the cube? Do we put the ladder in the back? Do we put the ladder in the front? Like this? Where do we hold it? How do we hold the cube? And we're not spinning anything on top like this. We have the ladder, and all we're going to do is move the whole cube around. And so what you want to do is you want to have this ladder on the right side. You see me tapping that? It's on the right side. Okay? That's how we want to hold the cube. And once we do that, we're ready to do our steps. Now, I like to just call this RuRu. And it's just a fun little word. And the most important parts about this are the R and the U. And it's the R is because we're going to use our right hand only. And the U is to tell you that then you're going to work on the upper layer. That's it. And why did I add another RU? Just to make it sound like RuRu, because that's more fun than Ru. So that's it. So it's just a clue for you that you can use your right hand and then move the upper one. Okay, but the actual steps are these right here, okay? Now, it's important to just kind of look at this like a song. Up, over, down, over. Up, over, over, down. And I like to kind of divide it right there. So let's just look at the left part. Up, over, down, over. Up, over, down, over. Up, over, down, over. And I think as soon as you can memorize these words, this move is going to be so easy for you. And then, of course, you're going to have to do the other side, which is up, over, over, down. Up, over, over, down. Up, over, over, down. Okay? So let's start. Remember, in this situation, there's only one ladder, and it's on the right side. And we already have the yellow cross. So let's go. The ladder's on the right, and I'm going to do the same thing I just said. I have it memorized, so I'm going to cover up the words, but it's up. Remember, I'm using the right hand, so let me show you that. Up, over, down, over, up, over, over, down. That's it. Now you're looking at the top and saying, well, it's still a yellow cross. And that's okay, because what we're actually trying to do is get these ones on top to match. Now remember what was on the right side earlier? Oh, look, our blue ladder disappeared. That's okay, guys. Now what we're going to do is just look around, and everything is different. We actually don't have any matching ladders right now, and you might think this is worse than before. But now all we're going to do is test the cube and see what's going on. So I'm just going to spin it one time on top, just the top. And now look what happens. Is this matching? No, that's not good. Oh, we have a different match here. That's interesting. Let's look around. This one does not match. And this one does match. Wait a minute. We have one matching here and one matching here. Now, it's possible maybe that you could have 2 matching ladders, and here we have 2, but maybe they're not the same colors as before. And that's okay. All that matters is before we had one ladder, and now we have more than one ladder. That means we're getting closer, okay? What we want to do when we're finished with this step is have 4 matching ladders. 1, 2, 3, 4. When we're done, we're going to have that. So what happens now? We have this matching ladder on the right, and we have one across from it. So this is how we want to hold the cube. One on the left, one ladder on the left, one ladder on the right. We don't want to hold the cube like this. One ladder in the front, and then where's that other one? Oh, it's in the back. We don't want that. Say it, side to side. If you have two ladders, it's side to side. But if you just have one ladder, like this one, it's only the right side, okay? So the right side gets priority, and if you have two, then you have one on the right and one on the left. So what do we do now? Well, now that we're holding the cube properly with two ladders, we're gonna do the same thing again. Up, over, down, over. Okay, let's just do that part. Up, over, down, over. That's it. Now let's go to the other part. Up, over, over, down. Up, over, over, down. Now you look, and of course, we're not trying to change this. This is okay. And you see this, oh, we don't have a matching ladder here. 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 You might think that we are in a worse situation, but remember, what do? We just test it. We just spin this. We might have to spin it multiple times. Let's spin it once, okay? Oh, that doesn't look good. This doesn't look good. This doesn't look good. And this looks good. We only have one matching ladder? That's not good. What's going on? So now let's do something. We know we did the right steps. Let's just spin this, okay? And let's see if we can figure out a different situation. You see this right here? That's not a matching ladder. Oh, this is, and this one is not. So when we have two matching ladders, what we want to do is we don't want them to be across from each other. Remember a minute ago, there was one on the left and one on the right? By doing these moves, we moved the ladders. And how do we want the ladders to be positioned? What our goal is here is to have a ladder on the right side and a ladder on the back. That means you're super duper close, okay? So let's review where we were at the beginning. We had one ladder on the side. We did these moves. Then we had two ladders, one on the left and one on the right. So that's good. Two ladders is awesome, but they were not in the correct spot. We want it to be right side and back side. And so what we did is we did the move, and then we tested it and we rotated it around until we could see that there were two ladders. So I'm going to show you something that is difficult to understand sometimes. So here, you look at this. This is just one ladder, and you might think this is not good. And if you look around, is this matching? No. Is this matching? No. Is this matching? No. Well, just move the top one and check again. Is it matching? No. Is it matching? No. Is it matching? No. Is it matching? No. You got to check it up to 4 times. Let's check it again. Matching? No. Matching? No. Matching? Yes. Matching? No. That's just one ladder. Okay, guys, check it one more time. Matching? Yes. Matching? Yes. No. No. Great. We have two ladders. And are they across from each other or next to each other? I can see they're kind of next to each other like this. They're not, it's not one on this side and one on this side. That's what I mean by across. So now that we know it's like on this side and this side, remember, how do we want the ladders to be positioned? We want one ladder in the back, and then we want one ladder on the right side. Okay, so we're good. So this is all about just checking the ladders, seeing how many ladders you have, and are the ladders in the right spot, okay? So let's just say that one more time. How many ladders do we have, and where are they located? Is it only on the right? Is it on both sides across? And we have to spin the top row to check what the positions of the ladders are. But now that we have a ladder in the back and a ladder on the side, the right side, we are ready for the final move. Are you ready? We're going to do it one more time. Up, over, down, over. Up, over, down, over. Up, over, over, down. Up, over, over, down. Now this might not look very good to you. Look at this. Doesn't match. Doesn't match. Doesn't match. But doesn't match. Okay? But we know we've done everything right. And how do we check? After we do the move, how do we check? We just spin the top one, and you might have to spin it multiple times. You might have to spin it once, 2 times, 3 times, or 4 times. Here we go, look. Matches, 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 matches. That's awesome, okay? I just want to go back one step and show you something, okay? After we do this move and you want to check and you spin it, it doesn't match, it doesn't match, it doesn't match, it doesn't match. Okay, spin it again. Let's check. It doesn't match, it doesn't match, it doesn't match, it doesn't match. Okay, spin it again. It matches, it matches, it matches, it matches. So I actually had to spin it 4 times. And this is the entire step. So this step, I'm calling it RuRu. It's just these: up, over, down, over, up, over, down. So just say it over and over, and you'll soon pick it up. And actually, when you're doing this move, I'm just going to do it really quickly for you, just for practice. But this is all it is: up, over, down, over, up, over, down. I can practice it again: up, over, down, over, up, over, down. Cool. All right. Keep practicing. Watch this video again, and it'll come to you just like all the other steps. You were able to get to all the other steps and figure it out after watching the videos multiple times and keep practicing, and this will be just like that.